Hello, this is Shihab. Today I would like to introduce to you Hikvision cloud-based time attendance solution. First of all, if you are the installer or service provider, what you need to do is to install the time attendance terminal, configure it, and do the maintenance from HyperConnect portal or mobile application. If you are the end users, for example, you own a company or you are the HR, you can find any Hikvision authorized biller or installer who has the ability to create and deliver this system to you. From now on, the attendance management has never been easier. If you are the employee, you can upload your face picture for facial recognition, check your attendance with sound, open the door remotely, and of course, GPS clocking is available for you. Hikvision cloud-based solution can support all kinds of minimal serious facial recognition terminal. Now follow me and see how configuration and performance is. So if you are the installer or service provider, you gotta go to customer site and log into the HyperConnect portal there with your account. As you can see, this is the main page of the HyperConnect portal. And then create a new site which you will deliver to your customer later. You can put the site name, modify the time zone, select the scenes, and input the site address. After that, select this site and add a device. Before this step, you have to make sure that the device is connected to the internet. With the SATB service, you can search the device directly here if it is connected to the same network with your computer. Also, you can add a device only with its serial number and code. IP, domain adding, and badge import are also available for you. Here I will add a device by serial number and its code. If you don't know how to find the code of the device, please click here to have a view. After compatibility testing finished, the device can be added to the platform automatically. Then you should go to Cloud Attendance Settings and add one system. You can modify its name. And add a device. After that, you should deliver the site and device to your customer. Click Invite and input the email address or phone number of the site owner. You have to make sure that the customer has already registered the HyperConnect account with his phone number or email address, and then apply for the permission. If you like, Hikvision can also help send a notice to your customer via email. Then from the HyperConnect mobile application, the site owner will receive the invitation message. Just need to agree with it. And confirm the permission. Then the owner can get a device on his HyperConnect account. If the owner wants to cancel this permission, he can go to Device Authorization, select the site, and edit the permission for specific devices. After all of these procedures, and refresh the page, you can find a cloud attendance service on the owner's HiConnect account, which means that this function has already been enabled and activated for the site owner. So up to now, the jobs for the installer or service provider are almost finished. If you are the site owner, which means the end user, you can log into your HiConnect portal. Then create an administrator user. You can modify the ID and the name. Then you can do the person management. You can create different departments and users. If you need the employee to do the cloud attendance on HiConnect mobile application, you have to enable this function and assign it to the HiConnect account with email address or phone number. The next step is to configure the access schedule template and group, which is for personal information uploading from platform to devices and the door control if it is necessary. You can create a schedule template by yourself to design the periods of validity. Then you should add an access group. Select the device, permission, the person, and the schedule template which you set just now, which means that the selected person can pass the access control devices in this period. Then you can click this button to apply it and upload the person information to the devices locally. Now you can go to time attendance settings. First of all, configure the timetable. Including scheduled work time, valid check-in and check-out period, work hours, allow late and early duration, and so on. With this timetable, you can create a shift. You can select the shift to repeat by week or day with certain cycle. And then put the timetable into shift. After that, you should assign this shift to person. So you can go to shift management and assign shift schedule to person. You got to select the person and then assign shift schedule. Design the effective period and select the shift. Click Save to assign it. You can also double check the shift schedule in Overview. Additionally, if you want to enable the GPS clocking, which means the check-in and check-out function with HiConnect mobile application for your employees, you got to enable it from basic settings. Then select the check-in and check-out location on the map. If you want that your employees can check in and check out anywhere, then you can allow off-site check-in and check-out. If you don't enable this option, they can only check in and check out near the location which you set on the map. You can also get a check-in and check-out data, attendance record, and export a report from the portal. So up to now, the jobs for company managers or HR are almost finished. If you are the employee, first of all, you can upload your face from your HiConnect mobile application for facial recognition.
Also, you can check in and check out if you commonly enable this function for you. And of course, you can check your attendance status by yourself. And also, you can open the door remotely if you have the permission.
The door is open.
So now all of the procedures are finished. You can enjoy Hikvision convenient and powerful time attendance solution based on the cloud.